Okay, today we're working on the Renegade again. Now we've got a CV Tech trail block clutch we're going to be putting on there. This thing is supposed to be set up and tuned for 32s already. We're going to get that on the machine and see what it does. First I want to do a little video, a little drive, show you how it's driving now, what the RPMs it's launching at, and just do a couple little pull videos, see if you can hear the sound and the difference after with the different clutch. So let's do that. So right now you can see it's engaging at about 17. At 1750 we start to move. All still frozen right now, so it's not actually hooking up at all. Okay, well that didn't really work. It just spits and chews up everything right now. Anyways, pretty simple on the Renegades. Take all your bolts out, pull this off. Okay, once you have the cover off, you need one of these special bolts. One of these holes is threaded. You just thread it into here all the way. It'll spread open your secondary. You can take your belt off. If you're reusing your old belt, make sure you put it on the same way you took it off. It is directional. Now go ahead and take this bolt out. Okay, that bolt was extremely tight. So now I have everything loosened off already. But this bolt will come out. And actually your factory primary will just come apart. Don't lose anything. Take your puller, thread it in, hit it with an impact, boom, this will pop off. Okay, once you've got your new clutch back on, torque your bolt. I think it's, don't quote me, 74 foot-pounds is what I found, but it will be different for different makes and models. What you can do is just stick a bar through here. Be very careful, wedge it in here. Torque your bolt, put your belt back on, pull your secondary bolt out. Now just fire your machine up in neutral and watch your secondary close up. And there you go, cover back on. When you go ahead and put these bolts back in, just make sure you use a ratchet. Do not impact them. They're just little insert nuts on the backside into a plastic housing. They will strip out, and then you'll be angry. Okay, let's see what this thing does. First thing I noticed with that clutch is my shifting. Look at how smooth that is. The old clutch, it would never do that. You always had to rev it up a bit or shake it back and forth.